Hi, I'm Danielle, and in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about this makeup bag. I got this from Amazon, and the name of the brand is Bagsmart. So I'm going to do the unboxing, and then I'm going to get into the demo. Okay, so real quick, I'm just going to show you where I got my makeup bag from and some of the colors that it comes in. They also have different types of makeup bags as well. You can see as I'm scrolling to find the one that I got. So here's the makeup bag right here. This bag comes in two sizes, small and large. So I'm just going to show you some of the pictures. Right here is the size comparison between the small and the large. And then they also have a video that you can watch. So let's get into the colors. So you have beige, black, blue, gray, pink. This is a tranquil gray, which is the color I have. I have the bag in this tranquil gray. I also have the bag where it's two layers to it. So let me just show you what that looks like just real quick. So here's like the bottom layer right here. So that comes in the other colors as well. So back to the one without the two layers. It also comes in dark blue, paisley black, paisley blue, paisley red, and purple. So I just wanted to show you where I got it from, which is Amazon. It's by Bagsmart. The color I got was tranquil gray, and it comes in two layers, also one layer, and there's different colors it comes in. So that's all I want to show you real quick. So now we're going to get into the tour and then into the demo. Okay, so I'm going to give a tour of the bag real quick, and then we'll get into the demo. So here is the makeup bag. You have a front pocket, right here. Then on the inside, let me just show you how deep it is. So on this side, you have two pockets. Then I'm going to flip on the other side. And I believe this material is PVC, where you can easily wipe any spills or any liquids or anything. But yeah, you can put stuff here. Again, this is how deep it is. And then you have a front pocket right here also. And that is the tour of the bag. And now we're going to get into the demo. Okay, so here's the demo part. I'm going to place items in the makeup bag. These items that I'm placing in here are the same items that I used for the makeup look, which you saw in the intro clip of the video. So let's get started. So I'm just going to place the makeup brushes first. So for the makeup brushes, I'm going to place them right here. All right, so I got my makeup brushes. So it's in no particular order. I'm going to place the items in the bag. So here is the setting spray that I used. This is the all over face powder I used. I'm going to put that right here in this side pocket. Here is the blush. Here is the setting powder I use for my under eye. I'm going to put that right here. Here is the lip liner that I used. Here is the brow pencil. I'm going to put the lip liner here. And do I want to put the brow pencil here? I'm going to put the brow pencil inside. This is the stick foundation I used. The concealer. This is the lip gloss. This is the concealer I use for my underneath my brow. This is the color corrector. And this is the primer. I can still fit more space in here if I wanted to. Here's all my brushes. And then the front pocket, I can definitely fit more stuff if I wanted to. Oh, and I forgot the sponge I used to set underneath my eyebrow. Underneath my eyes. I'm going to put that, it's not used, so I'm going to just put that right here. We're just going to zip this up. Look how deep it is. So we're going to zip this up. Has some weight to it, but it's still lightweight. And there you have it, the makeup bag that I got from Amazon by Bagsmart. Thank you for tuning in.